Most beginners fail because they get stuck in tech headaches, building websites, writing endless emails, and struggling to connect all the moving parts. And if that wasn't enough, they're told they need to become pushy salespeople just to close a deal. The ClickBank Super Funnel flips that script. This system is done for you, so the landing pages, email follow-ups, and high-converting webinar panels are already built and tested. You don't have to worry about design, copywriting, or integrations. It's plug and play. And you don't have to sell in traditional sense. The funnel attracts real buyers, not freebie hunters. That means your list is filled with people already ready to invest, and automated system presents them with high-ticket offers so you can earn hundreds or even thousands per commission without pressure. One affiliate made over $500,000 in commissions using this exact model. Another brought in $50,000 working just 5 to 10 minutes a week on Facebook. Click below to see the free training and discover how you can build affiliate success without the stress.